Well, it has been long held by the Supreme Court that the motive of a person or his own background is immaterial when a charge of corruption is made. The issue is not that. The issue is that when we started this 2G thing long before Anna Hazare came on the scene, we were faced with a basic cynicism in the public.
Yes.
That nothing will happen. This is all hot air and people just make statements and then move on.
Yep.
But we wanted to show that the system could deliver.
Yep.
And that's why we went to court and got some results which generated this whole atmosphere where people begin to think that corruption could be fought. Now what's happening today is that if you flit from charge to charge and do nothing, we'll be back to the same pessimism, and that's exactly what the corrupt people want. They want to say everybody is corrupt, and nothing will happen. This is the way of life. That's what I'm sorry to say that this team Kejriwal has done in these last few days. They have completely muddied the waters of the fight in corruption. They have lost focus completely, and today we are in a situation where we have to go back and start telling people that no, corruption can be fought.
No, one sec. What has Anjali done wrong? What is Anjali's fault? What is your point on Anjali? I want it directly put tonight from you to her so she gets a chance to respond. Yes.
No, I have nothing against her. I don't even know. I don't know her at all.
Eh?
I do not know her, so this question is not that I'm making a charge against her at all.
Yes, Mr.
I'm only saying this whole business of hit and run, where you just make charges and move on, and then they make counter charges, and then everybody gets confused.
Right. Okay.
We need focus, and the focus can only be done today when the government of the day is thoroughly corrupt. The only way is by going to court, or don't make charges.
But focus